traders and traders, y'all know dreycosting. All right, what's everyone doing? All right, so GJ doing some little GJ things every now and then. GJ can be sloppy, right? So you have to be careful not to be caught in all of that sloppiness, right? So GJ is really doing that sloppy thing right now, where it's in this consolidated range right here. But one thing I've been noticing about my system though, even when GJ behaving sloppy, I still can eat some food. I still can catch some fish. That's just so nice, you know what I mean? That's a beautiful thing. You get me? So, all right. So price came down here, created a low. Yeah. We had a previous high right here. All right, so price shift retest lower high, shift retest lower high. Now it broke that high, so it broke that high right there. Shift retest create a higher high, right? And now it now retest now creating a higher low. All right. So this low was not taken out. Right. We have a higher high right here now. All right. So can we, and now we have a higher low being created right here, right? So we love that form of movement right here, yeah? Very tired, guys. Forgive me if I sound real mumbled. You know what I mean? But I have to try my best to knock out this video, whether it be one of the best or one of the worst. You know what I mean? We have to stay committed, right? So I did a trade this morning, right? So let's start with that. I did a trade this morning. Remember initially that I caught the move like this where I caught the breakout, but price came back, keep me out at break even right there. But so you go, you get me? But something I have to think about if I need to move to break even so aggressively, because then GJ ran roughly from where I entered 100 pips, yeah? 100 pips. So I don't know. Something I'm gonna think about. I'm very good at taking the entries and all of that. Very good at not getting stopped out. So what I really need to improve on is to be more efficient on maximizing my take profit. So GJ looking sloppy, right? But we're gonna just keep it chill, right? Price broke the previous high, came back, create a higher low, right? So this is what we're looking at. Being that GJ is being sloppy, right? You're gonna seal off a here or there, and you're gonna look if price maintains here at this level here at 180, 118 around this region right here, 180, 118, 181, 787, somewhere around this region right here. All you're gonna do is just look for your buy to continue up to this level right here. That's about 85 pip room. So try to take somewhere about 40 to 50 pips, right? So no matter what, you have to try to eat, right? So the month started off massively, but it seems like it's slowing down a bit right now and consolidating and all of that. So just chill, right? Just trade what you see and just take smaller take profit moves, all right? So we want to take profit about there. What else we can look at, right? So that's what we're looking at initially. Yeah, but we also know that GJ can continue to the downside. So right now it's showing an uptrend structure, so we have to work with what we see based on the current marking. But what if we get up pre-London and we see something like this shift, retest lower high, right? If we see something like that at pre-London, yeah, then we're gonna look to continue down for the sell. And remember that when it comes shift retest lower high, we want resistance to create, right? Bullish candle closure, bearish candle closure with top wicks. I can't say this enough, right? And continue down right here at pre-London. We want to see bearish candle closure, bullish candle closure with bottom wicks, and then we want to enter to continue up, right? So let's see if this holds at this level, right? At pre-London, if it holds at this level at pre-London, I'll be really, really happy to just take it up back to that level, all right? So it's just simple move, you know what I mean? As I said, it seems like it's just doing its own little thing right now, just, you know, just messing around. GJ gets like this most of the time. So you have to do, in times like this, when you see it's messing around like this, you have to scale back on your risk. So if you use the risk like all 3%, you can scale back to 1%. If you're 5%, you scale back to 3%. So whenever you're seeing the market behaving sloppy, you scale back on a percentage, take shorter trades and all of that, right? So you have to be mindful of what you're doing. However, it's a situation that we get the break here, chip retest lower high, then I'm definitely looking to continue all the way down here, right? I'm looking to fill out all of this free space right here. It's a lot of clean traffic coming all the way down here, right? So this movement, if I get some form of movement like that, potentially I can catch roughly a 200 pip move thereabouts, all right? So let's just see, you know what I mean? Let's just see what type of action GJ gives us come pre-London, all right? So it's just a waiting game right now. So if it's still on this level, come pre-London, I look to buy for break and retest, all right? Then you just look to sell massively. If we're still in the buy, take a shorter trade, 40, 50 pips thereabout. But if we break to the downside, you can take a longer trade. All right, so you have seen the best and the worst of how GJ can be, and you realize the system, it seems to be working with good market condition and bad market condition. You know what I mean? You would just follow the basic of trading, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows. You know what I mean? If the basic of trading breaks on an uptrend, breaks the previous low, then we're looking to go to the downtrend. You know what I mean? If the basic of trading breaks at a lower high, we're looking to go to an uptrend. It's just simple stuff like that. You know what I mean? Simple stuff like that. All right. If you have any question, guys, just let me know. All right. Once again, why I did the trade this morning, I must reiterate this. I missed out and I got kicked out of break, but why did the trade this morning? Because price was making a massive impulse, right? And I didn't want to jump in on an impulsive move. I can't do that. See, if I try and do that to continue down, you get kicked out. Because when price is impulsive massively, it can retrace at any time. So you don't jump up on a moving train. You have to jump when the train stops, right? So retest create a higher low, that's when the train stops. You jump on, right? You get me? Shift retest create a lower high, that's when the train stops, you jump on. All right? You don't jump on when the train is moving massively, all right? You will get stopped out. All right, so that's why I did the trade this morning, because the market structure was not ready. So let me see how it looks from pre-London. Not every day is a trading day, so this is a lesson for you guys. Not every day is a trading day because the structure might not be ready. And you just have to just let it be and just walk away and just leave the trade another day, right? So you have to learn these things and develop and be disciplined with these things, right? Any question, drop it in the comment section. I'm here to answer each and every question. Just continue to show the love. If you have chart markups, remember you can always come here, click copy link, drop it in the comment section, and I'll review it live here on the analysis daily, or I can reply back in the comment section. Go and pick up on yourself until the next day. Straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.